Witam co nam złycią.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to each one of you. On behalf of our headmistress, Reverend Sister Liberata Fernandez, and our manager, Reverend Sister Hilda Lopez, I, Chanel D'Souza, the head girl of St. Teresa High School, Santisteba, extend a warm welcome to you for a much-awaited annual day decathlon. We are truly honored to welcome you, our chief guest, Sir Shailesh R. Sinai Zingre, Directorate of Education, Porvorim. We also extend a warm welcome to all our teachers, sisters. Suswagata, Mai Mogatso Yuka, Namaskar.
All audience to kindly rise as we welcome the guests.
O Saint Teresa,
Of the child Jesus,
of the child Jesus,
inflamed with God's love,
inflamed with God's love,
give me
childlike faith,
to love God
to love God,
and to see
and to see
the face of God
the face of God
in our teachers,
in our teachers,
peers, authority,
authority,
and in the experiences
and in the experiences
of my life.
of my life.
O little flower of Jesus,
O little flower of Jesus,
ask God today
ask God today
to grant me
the
favors
I
now place
place
with confidence
with confidence
in your hands.
in your hands.
Rodriguez, our headmistress, Reverend Sister Liberata Fernandez, our manager, Reverend Sister Hilda Lopez, the PTA chairperson, Mrs. Ekleen, our student teacher representative, and our ex-teacher, Teacher Isabel, to kindly come forward to light the ceremonial lamp.
best way to predict the future is to create it. Good morning, everyone. The Theresian family welcomes all of you here at Kala Academy. Chief Guest, Director of Education, Sri Shailesh R. Sinai Singde, Guest of Honor, Director, Research and Technology Center, Syngenta, Dr. Banu Manjunath, Special Invitee, Superior General of the Congregation of Holy Family of Nazareth, Sister Berna Rodriguez, my manager, Sister Hilda Lopez, PTA Chairperson, Mrs. Acklin Torres, former PTA Chairperson, Mr. Bana Mevada, priests, sisters, heads of the institution, ex-teachers, parents, benefactors, well-wishers, family members, friends, staff, teaching and non-teaching, and my dear students. As we gather to celebrate Decathlon, we embark on a journey through time, revisiting the music, fashion, and memories that define each decade from the 1920s to the 2040. Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of the past century with its milestone, achievements, and lessons learned. From the roaring 20s to the swinging 60s, the disco 70s, the radical 80s, the grunge 90s, the naughtiest, the teens, the 20s, and now the 30s and 40s. Moreover, the legacy of St. Teresa High School in 1946 onwards. The vision of our founder, Father Faustino D'Souza, of each decade has its own unique charm and character. This achievement and this event is a testament of our institution's commitment to academic excellence, creativity, and holistic development. We also remember the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic, which affected us all, and appreciate the resilience and adaptability of our community. Join us for a time of learning, nostalgia, entertainment, and celebration as we pay tribute to the decades that made us who we are today. So get ready to groove, laugh, and have a blast with us. Let's celebrate the decade that enriched our lives, brought joy, music, and memories to cherish forever. Decathlon has brought incredible talents of our students. To our chief guest, Sri Shailesh R. Sinai Singde, we quote, "Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality." We are honored by your presence and grateful for your guidance. To our guest of honor, we quote, "Innovation is the key to unlocking new possibilities." We are inspired by your work and thankful for your presence. To our special invitee, Sister Berna Rodriguez, we express our heartfelt gratitude for accepting our invitation and being a part of this celebration and for your guidance all along. To our entire staff, I quote Helen Keller, "Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much." Your dedication, time, talent have made this event possible. Thank you for your tireless effort. Parents are the anchors that holds us steady, the compasses and guides us, and the wings that empower us to soar. Thank you, dear parents, for your trust and cooperation. To my dear students who will perform, who are over 1,000 today on stage, we applaud your hard work and enthusiasm. You made this event truly special. To all who are present, I quote, "Unity is strength, participation is power, and together we are unstoppable." Your presence and participation inspire us to strive for excellence. I especially implore blessings of Saint Teresa, and we intercede to our founder, Father Faustino de Souza. So, I declare Decathlon open. Let the festivities begin.
Thank you, sister. With that, dear audience, our performance.
I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
I request you audience to kindly keep clapping.
Let it shine, let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go.
Director of Department of Education, Porvorim. He holds a Master of Science and a Bachelor of Education degree.
Ooh, shiny, I love shiny things. What is it? What is it?
It's a long metal thing with teeth. Maybe it's a futuristic comb?
That's a key, not a comb, you enthusiastic toaster. I believe this is a tool, possibly ceremonial.
Ceremonial, monial, monial.
Behold, the ancient artifact of mystery. It's a hammer. Avoid! Dr. Arjun, just see what's wrong with this Noah board.
किती झालं रे?
किती साहेबा केला तरी किती तुवें हांव फेविकॉला बशीन दसला मरे चलूंक पासून जायना म्हजे कडेन
अरे Who are you?
I'm Orin, the keeper of time. This capsule holds the story of learning, the heartbeat of generations.
Heartbeat, beat, 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 beat.
This book speaks of wisdom passed from teacher to student.
This uniform shows identity and belonging.
And the school logo shows legacy, traditions, values, culture. So, is this like a time machine? Yes, built not with gears, but with memories.
Awesome! Please tell us more about our past. We'd love to know.
Come then, we shall walk through the decades, through laughter, discovery and change, through the spirit of St. Teresa High School. We begin the celebration. Welcome to Decathlon, the decades of learning.
वाचन लेखन पुरते मर्यादित नाशिल्ले. विद्यार्थ्यांनी दिसपट्ट्या कामावरवीं नम्रताय शिकली. आंगरां झाडप, उदक हाडप आनी भोंवतणीची नितळसाण दवरप. ते जनावरांची जतनाय घेताली. आनी सांज जाली म्हणटकच गुरुकुल रांदचे खातीर लाकूड एकठांय करताले. Along
And each one, either the parent or the student, will be in a position to make the most of it. The second thing is, and the parents come together. They can put up a wonderful show, and the students enjoy it. And when the students enjoy, when the students are happy, naturally the parents are happy. So this is just a glimpse to show how best the school and the parents can come together so that our students can excel. Now the government is not leaving a single stone unturned to make sure that the students get the best. We have been talking about the National Education Policy 2020, where the student is at the central stage. But although the student is the focal point, the teachers, the school cannot do anything without the support of the parents. So I urge the parents to support the schools in a big way so that the students can benefit. Let me tell you, the most important thing that we think of at the government or in the school is to make the students a good citizen of this country. That is the most important thing. Everybody should be a good citizen, but just being a good citizen doesn't help. When our children grow, they should earn something for their living. And when they earn something, whatever they do to earn that living, that should make them happy. So that is the key. Please don't force anything on the children. Please don't impose anything on the children. Normally the tendency of the parents is to ensure that whatever they could not achieve, they are trying to get it done through their children. Avoid that. Try to understand the inclination of the children. Make sure that they get to do in their career what they like to do. Now everybody has to study. We have also studied. Our children will also have to study. But when they finish studying, they start working, they start doing something for their living that they must enjoy. Otherwise, they will always take that as burden and they will never be happy in their life. Anyway, I am here just to appreciate the few things being done by the school. Lastly, before I conclude, because I know I have been a teacher for a long period, I have also headed institutions. It is very difficult to organize this kind of programs. If you try to think right from the beginning, right from 10 a.m., I don't see any time has been wasted. I am told that more than 1,000 students will be performing. But not a minute was wasted, and it is not easy to organize this kind of programs involving so many students. So let us put hands together to the head and the teachers and also the students. Lot of efforts go into this kind of events. I wish the school, the head, the teachers and all the students all the very, very best. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your appreciation.
and education became a tool of power. Under British rule, learning moved from wisdom to discipline, from values to obedience, and this is where our story begins.
Company attention. Left, right, left. Left, right, left.
Good morning. Stand straight. Eyes front. Cat.
Cat.
Louder. Once again.
Cat.
Good discipline, fine manners. These are the students who will make gentlemen and ladies for the empire.
God's love through education.
Hearts with mercy and glorify God's name. From a heart so pure and humble, a dream of love began to grow. Father Faustino de Souza, our founder, your faith set hearts aglow. You gathered the sisters to serve in your mission with courage strong and true. Proud to teach, to serve, to nurture the light of Christ in all we do. Your vision lights our way each and every day, to learn, to love, to share, serve with tender care. Father Faustino, we proclaim and live to bear your name. In faith we stand hand in hand, united in your dream so grand.
Through one man's faith, 1,000 hearts were touched, and thus began the sacred mission of Father Faustino's congregation. He was impressed by their hard work and dedication. In 1946, Father Faustino, along with 3 devoted sisters, Sister Berta, Sister Selina, and Sister Ignis, established a convent in Santa Steva under Saint Francis Xavier's. They started a small school in the name of Saint Teresa, teaching English, Portuguese, and other subjects to a handful of students. Despite limited resources, the sisters' dedication and passion for education shone through.
Here because I asked sister, is it right I should be here? And she said, no, you should be amongst us. And I asked her, what should I speak about? And she said, any moments of inspiration you can speak and try to inspire our young minds. I think what we all witnessed this morning, right from the welcome band to what we saw a journey of 50, 60 years, has been, I think, moments of inspiration for each one of us at different moments of time. As parents, as teachers, as educators, I'm sure we felt we were in that era at that time and enjoyed those moments in different ways, which has inspired us to what we are today, sitting in this audience. Each one of us in a different field, in a different facet of life, enjoying every moment. But what inspires me the most is what the children have performed here. I was told more than 1,000 children are going to be have performed or will be performing for this morning. And if you reflect, we they see dance for a minute or two, we see the entire event for 1.5 hours, I think approximately. But this would not have happened if people were not inspired behind the scenes. I'm sure this were taken a couple of months with the support of hundreds of parents, teachers, administrators to get this together and put such a wonderful performance. Please clap for all the children and all of you who have done such a wonderful performance today.
Why are you protesting? The British education system is very superior.
We are fighting for the freedom to learn our own history, culture and language. We want education that empowers us, not enslaves us.
But we are providing you with education and infrastructure. At what cost? We are forced to.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशा।
Welcome to Doordarshan News. The cup is
Sister Liberata for the kind invite to be amongst you this morning. First of all, the chief guest of the day, Shri Shailesh ji, other dignitaries, parents, teachers.